Alright, YouTube, what's going on? It's the next day. Getting progress done. I'm with this guy right here named Nick. About to do this for me. See how bad they look right now. Color yellow. Both of them. I'm about to make them things clear for y'all. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably do some tint. Or get some like headlight tint. It's gonna be fire. It's gonna be real fire. Y'all gonna see how it's gonna look. Let's just do it right here with the tools. About to get to work. Yep. Doing every little thing slowly by slowly. Little by little. So next time y'all see the headlights, they will be clear and looking brand new. Get back with y'all. Good. Everything looking good. Like he got these looking clear already. I'm not gonna lie. These are looking good already, man. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Looking brand new. What? Yes. It's like I just bought brand new headlights. Man. I like it, man. You did good, for real. Appreciate that.
Work. Second work.
Second little side hustle.
After work and do.
That's good. That's good. I actually thought of doing this one time myself. I said, it seems easy, but...
I like results. When people say, wow, I'm made.
Yes. Like, I was going to buy some brand new headlights. But I was like, you know what? Let me just get them polished and clean. Like, and I don't even need to do that. So how long will this stay like this?
I give guarantee 1 year.
A year?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it anything that I have to like do?
I protect it with ceramic, but it depends of weather.
The weather, yeah. So I plan on tinting the headlights anyway. But for right now, so I can just, I don't have to do nothing to them.
My opinion is, if you do 1 2 year polishing, it's easy. And you do tint, and when you put tint inside tint, to be when weather change, you can see how to say. 1 second.
Okay.
I didn't know.
No, it's all good. But this looks crazy good. I'm shocked, man. I knew it was gonna look good, but these look
correctly.
Nebula. What that word mean? Oh, foggy. Yes, foggy.
Foggy.
Okay, I get
You
what you're
can see
saying.
foggy.
Oh, okay.
Inside.
Gotcha.
If you put tint.
It's gonna be foggy.
I know about this.
It's gonna be foggy. Okay, cool.
Because when weather change.
And just get in there. Alright, YouTube. Next thing we're gonna be doing is lifting that suspension up. Got the wrench tools in the crib. Just came in yesterday. I should do it right now while it's early and the sun not out burning up. But I gotta give me some food in my stomach first. Man, make the car look brand new now. see this. Next thing coming for those is the tent and some demon eyes. Y'all already should know that. Just gonna get back with y'all when I'm lifting up the car. Peace. Good. So got the wheel off. Now we need to figure out which one fits my car. Hopefully it's this one. Oh, lucky. I got the first choice. I got it spot on. Alright, so we're gonna be raising it. So you gotta loosen the bottom up first. Let's see the line. And then I'm gonna mark every time I spin the top with the Sharpie. Write it on a piece of paper. As many times as I spin it to the right. So I can do it to the same side on the left side. Alright. So here go one. Mark it right there. Let me raise it up. Let's get and if you lost yours for the Maxpeeding Max Coilovers wrench, this is the wrench you need to buy online. So that's one. That's two. That's three. Bring that down. We're gonna tighten that back up. And then we're gonna drop the car. Let's see. This paper so I don't forget. 7. It's like perfect for these wheels on there. I'm not sure what size those are, but those on the all-wheel drive sedan stocks. So, but that height looked pretty straight. I shouldn't be hitting everything. If I am, I'm gonna just do it again because it didn't take that much to lift the car up. Let me see the front. Alright, bet. We get to the other side now. And came to this side, raced the suspension already. Man, tell me why. Look at that right there, man. All of that is leaking. That's busted. I don't know what this is right here, but this ain't supposed to be loose. I know that for sure. So we're gonna have to call somebody and look at that, get that fixed out. But got that tire off, big rim. Raised it up about 7 times, and I just put this wheel on, finish up.